What's up? I'm Ugo.
And I'm Ruby.
We're traveling through Asia at the moment.
And these are our adventures.
We had a great time with my friends in Bangkok. The long weekend was a blast, filled with dancing, eating, and getting massages. But it was time to move to the next place and get back to filming.
We're back, bitches.
We're in Thailand, in northern Thailand, in Chiang Mai, and we're about to go to a night street food market that's pretty famous around here.
The food in Thailand was pretty fucking amazing. Every single night we were so excited to go to the night markets to try new things. Thank you. Today we're doing a hike off the beaten path. Only millions of people come and do it every year.
Only millions?
Only millions. Here we go. It was a very short trail called the Monk's Trail that takes you to this stunning Buddhist temple, where unfortunately Ruby had to wait outside because she was wearing shorts. Ruby, get out of the road. Oh, it's a trail.
Let's get some coffee.
Let's go get coffee somewhere else. Why are you so scared, girl?
So we had to readjust our positioning, but we got it.
So I just throw the rice in?
Easy.
Come on, faster. Since we enjoy the food so much, then of course we had to learn how to make some of it. So Ruby booked some cooking lessons, where we learned how to make 5 different recipes each. It was basically like a DIY 5-course meal.
But anyway,
Round 5.
it's so cute because of, I know I'm
Crunch
starting to go
Ruby.
So after deep research, I realized what I fucking ate. Pig's blood. Didn't know what it was. They couldn't tell me what anything was because they didn't speak English. So I just pointed at one that looked yummy and I thought it was mole, but it wasn't. You chug it, baby. We rode the bike for about an hour and a half to Dai Intanon National Park. We visited a couple of waterfalls, went to the highest point in Thailand, and attempted to go on a hike, but that didn't work out.
This man's trying to kill me of a heart attack.
Full speed. You saw. So we're at the highest point in Thailand.
First we paid 300 baht each to get into this national park, which had some beautiful waterfalls, but then we tried to go on a trail and To go into the trail, you're required to have a guide, which is another 200 baht.
Thank you.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god! Yes! I won! Want some onions too?
It's gonna be very good khao soi, I know. Oh my god. More desserts. Already had to have it again. Bye. Hello.
Ooh.
I'm still thinking about that roti from last night. It was like the best thing I've ever eaten.
We thought we were gonna go swimming in a cold spring, but apparently there's no swimming. See if it's cold. Is it cold?
It's cold.
It says do not enter. I'm exiting. Hey, it's not our private paradise. I mean, there's tons of people here, but it's pretty fucking amazing.
I was a little skeptical about going to the Sticky Waterfalls because I thought it was going to be a very small place packed with tourists. Even though it was definitely a popular place, it was big and well taken care of, so we had lots of fun.
You make me so nervous. And I love you. This place is freaking amazing.
There's absolutely nothing better than food at the side of the road.
It's true. Also, a 10-year-old boy just made our papaya salad, and it's like the best one we've ever had.
And oh boy, have I had good papaya. But this is the best one. We asked for a very little spicy. Alright, chef!
Woo! Thank you!
Don't stop me now! Having such a good time. Today's Chinese New Year's and we are in Chinatown in Chiang Mai.
Okay, can't have
So it's like merengue.
Yeah. And now one of our favorite things, the coconut pancakes. So we're on our way to Pai.
It's gonna be like a 3-hour ride. I don't think my ass is gonna handle it. Once again, we have no idea what we're getting because the translation on Google does not really work out. So we just order and ask them to give us food. So let's hope it's not something too weird. And we have blood too again.
It's pretty good though. It's not like super intense like the one Ugo got yesterday. This little abandoned hotel.
Y sin dinero hago siempre lo que quiero y mi palabra es la ley. is like the dream land. What I've always ever dreamed of. It is all I could do.
And puppies.
We're gonna come in the morning as well to hike it. Holy fuck, it is cold. We got up early to go to the hot springs.
So pretty. Oh, you look so cute.
Hard to see, but we've been running around like crazy. We drove 3 hours to this town, visited 2 waterfalls, went to the night market, got up, went to the hot springs, and came to a trail at the canyon. And now we're gonna drive 3 hours again to catch a bus for 11 hours. So yeah, we're trying to get south. We want to get to the islands so that we can have as much time as we can down there. Do you love life? Because I love life. Do you love life?
I love life.
Oh yeah, we love life. You got this, mi amor.